Hey, who is ready to see something really cool in Canva with the upcoming Valentine Day celebration of love? Okay. And I am Lady Terry B. Jones. I'm the creator of the Church Grower board game. And I love creating products and content centered around gamifications, right? Because who doesn't like playing games? Who doesn't like having fun? Who doesn't like, testing their knowledge on a certain area, okay? And so with Valentine's Day coming up, Canva did something really cool here. I'm going to go ahead on and log in. I want you guys to log in as well to canva.com. You may have the free version of it, which means you can use it to create all kind of really cool things. I have the pro version, and let me go ahead on and type in here Valentine's Day. And sure enough, let's see here. There's some things that I created for myself. But let's see what we have here. We have invitations, we have posts for Instagram, we have flyers, we have presentations. Let's see here. 10-page presentation. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so that's something really cool there for if you're going to have something. Let's see here. This one is background. Okay, modern day symbolism of love, ideas. Okay, Valentine. So this is something that you can use as well. Let's see here. What else we got? Let's see. Games. Let's type in Valentine Day games. Okay. Now, here we go. We have a worksheet. That's pro. Bingo, that's pro. Valentine bluff game, that's pro. Basically, you see this little pro sign here. Okay, that means it's pro. This is pro. Never have I ever. That's a really cool one. Here's bingo without the pro. Cool. And then here's another story. Here's a word scramble without the pro. Let's see here. Let's do the word scramble. I like the word scramble. The reason I want to use the word scramble is because Valentine's Day is all about love, okay? And so what you can do with your spouse, your boyfriend, girlfriend, your children, even your friends, you guys can sit around and decide on some reasons why you love each other, okay? So, say for instance, if you love the fact that your husband takes the garbage out for you, then you can have the word garbage, okay, as one of the words that you scramble. And so, as you unscramble all these different words, say breakfast, okay? If you have breakfast, it's like the reason why you have breakfast on here is because I love the fact that you get up every morning, fix me some breakfast before I go off, to work or do what I do for the day. Okay. And so your word scramble is going to be different than mine, right? And so this is something fun, interactive, and really cool that you can do with your spouse, like I said, your children or what have you. And so definitely, of course, you have this here, we already know this is love, right? And so you can decide. So like I said, if I decide on, just say, I want one of my words to be breakfast, okay? Now, I can unscramble. Let me put the scramble version. And now I'll use this here to make this bigger. Okay. And so here are some of the letters in here. So breakfast is Break. Okay. And so I'll put a K, and then there's an F, and then an AST. And so I'll take this Y out and put an S. And then I'll take this L, okay? Let's see if we got them all. Breakfast. Oh, I do need a T for breakfast. How cool is that, right? And so you can come up with your words, okay? And so your spouse can come up with words, or you can come up with words, and you would put those words there and have them scrambled up. Okay. You can, even if it's for your kids, you like the fact that they clean up their rooms. Okay. And so you can have that word clean. How about that? The word clean on here as a word that needs to be unscrambled. Okay. And so each person would give you some words to include in your family word scramble. I'm all about family, getting together at the table through food, fun, and fellowship. And so Valentine's Day is my birthday, and that's the day, that people show love towards one another. And so that's what I'm used to doing for Valentine's Day. Not only because it's Valentine's Day, because it's my birthday as well. Okay. And so what you can do is get the different words from your children, your spouse, whatever, and then you would scramble them, and then you would print this off. Of course, we know you can have this printed, okay, right here within Canva. They can print this for you. It says there's a coupon here. If you were to order a certain number, of course, you're not gonna order that many. But guess what? You can download, okay? After you have created this, you can click on share, and then you will come here to download, okay? And then you want to share. You can download it either as a PNG, JPEG, those are like picture formats, okay? And then, or you can do it as a PDF, and then it has PDF print so that you can have this printed at your local printer, or you can just print it right there at your home. How cool is that? And this is something that, Canva has out here already for you to go ahead on and use. All right. Now, of course, there are pictures in here of candy and flowers, but guess what? If we want a picture of some breakfast, like I said, one of the different words I use was breakfast. Okay. And look at that. Some eggs, okay? Yummy. Let's click on see all. All right. So here's some pancake, eggs, and bacon. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here's some cereal and milk. Okay. Here's different colors if you wanted to be able to find different colors. And if you only want to see the free, okay, you can click on there. All right. And then it will show you all the images that's only for free. All right. And so, yeah, so here, oh, this is a big breakfast here. Who likes big breakfasts? Comment below that you like a big breakfast. Who loves pancakes for breakfast? I love that. I love it. I love it. Okay. And so, because I was using one of those words, breakfast, I can take this, delete this flour, okay? And then I can put big old stack of pancakes. I love pancakes. Comment below. What's your favorite breakfast food? Okay. And then also, let's see what else. What other word? Love. Let's type in something for love. Okay, because we know we're gonna use the word love in here. Okay, so let's love, because you want to make this yours, okay? You don't necessarily have to keep the same images that is used in this template. And that's the beauty, of utilizing Canva and looking for graphics. So you can see different things. Oh, look at the little bunny. That is cute. And so, yeah, so let's take out the candy. I love candy, but I want something different. I want this teddy bear. This teddy bear looks so cute. Oh my gosh. This is such a cutie. A cutie. Yes, yes. And I can put that cutie right there. Okay. And let's see what else. I'm thinking about this here. Let's look at edit these pancakes. Now, you can click on here, see the different filters. Let's see. You can have a different look to the actual pancakes if you want to. Like I said, it shows like a soft look. You can click on here and see how it changes the look of the pancakes. So it's so many really cool things you can do. Here's another one. So it can kind of sort of blend in with the color scheme here. So you can, like I said, make some changes, do some things. Now look at this. Mm, that's yummy looking. That's yummy looking. Okay. And so those are the things that you can do right here. With this here, of course, you can change the font. Okay. It says holiday casual. But of course, you can go to Bobby Jones and it'll change all of it to that. Pacifica, it'll change it to that. Poppins, okay, but we don't want any of those. Okay, we're gonna leave it just like it is. Okay, and then of course you can change the color. So if since I have this purple pancakes, I can just click on here and select these words, and instead I can use purple. How about maybe this purple? Let's see. Yeah, I can change it to that. And then I can change this background from pink to red. Now it's looking different, right? And then this word, the actual words, I can change this here with the word scramble to a different color if I want to. So just play around. In other words, play around. Now, if you don't want to have color within your actual thing here that you're creating. You definitely can just have it just plain black and white because black and white is cheaper, to print. Okay. But otherwise, if you want to jazz it up, then hey, you can definitely jazz it up. We can click on this black here and then we can scroll down and you can see all of the different really cool colors. You can also click on here to add a new color. You can use your brand kit colors. And so there's so many ways, you can just pick a different color that you want to use, utilize here. Let's see. Yeah, so see how that goes. You can just change up, and do what you want with it. All right, okay. I don't know that I like any of those colors. That's not. Okay. Use that. I can use that. Okay. So you have the idea of what to do here. Okay. Now I want you guys to like, subscribe, and comment. Comment below. It's like, yeah, I think this is a really cool thing for, us to do on Valentine's Day to kind of change things up. Okay, so you can have your nice dinner, and then after you have your nice dinner, you guys can play the game, or if you're or going out to eat, once you get back home, if you want to play the game, however you choose to do that, and definitely, talk about why you love each other. What is it? What is it that I love about you? It's one thing to tell somebody that you love them, but it's a whole nother thing to actually go into a conversation and dialogue about it. Okay. And so definitely you want to do that. All right. So thank you all for tuning in, and definitely I'll see you on the next video presentation.